Hello and welcome to my car. We are actually en route to downtown St. Petersburg, where we're going to be boarding a helicopter and flying down to the beaches. We are doing it's called the Johns Pass Tour with a company called Executive Helicopter Tours. They fly out of Albert Whitted Airport. This is actually our second time in a helicopter. I'm going to link that video above where we did a helicopter tour in Alaska, and we loved it so much, so we're very excited to give this a try. I will say that even though we haven't flown yet, Executive Helicopter Tours have been absolutely wonderful with their customer service. Captain Brian has been incredibly helpful. He's actually rescheduled our flight, I think 3 times now, because he just wants the best conditions for us up there in the sky, the safest and best conditions. So I really appreciate that wonderful customer service, and we are just so excited to get up there. So let's go. We have made it to Albert Whitted. You can see there's a maintenance barn in there with some planes in there, and the beautiful downtown St. Pete skyline. Now Brian told us to look for a blue awning, so I think I see it there, so let's go on and check in. Here's a look inside the office here at Executive Helicopter Tours. We just got the safety briefing and are just gonna wait in here a little bit to time it a little better for sunset. But they do have a map here of the different routes that they do, and this is we're going to be doing the Johns Pass Tour, which is the purple one. So you can see we're just going to be making a circle all around the beaches and St. Petersburg. Clear! us on that helicopter ride around St. Petersburg. We saw the Skyway, saw the Don Cesar, the beaches. Our pilot Brian was just so informative, just kind of pointing stuff out all along our flight. Of course, the timing of everything, the timing of the sunset, the timing and the angles that he gave us to just get the best views possible really meant a lot. So really the customer service here at Executive at Helicopter Tours is just wonderful, and we had such a wonderful time. And I'm kind of intrigued by flying in a helicopter. I am terrified of flying, but I love being in a helicopter. It's just like floating up there. It doesn't go as fast. You don't get that kind of angle that you get when you're taking off in a plane. I would encourage you, if you are scared of flying, to give flying in a helicopter a try. Now, it is very cramped in there, so if you're claustrophobic, maybe, you know, expect that. But definitely give it a shot. And if you are in the Pinellas County area, give Executive Helicopter Tours a try. We were so impressed with them. Well, thank you for joining us on this adventure in the helicopter, flying around downtown St. Petersburg and the beaches, and follow us for more around Florida.